Hello everyone. In this video I talk about to my fridge. Okay, in my fridge I see a six packet of beer, importantly, and two bottles of milk, a can of tuna, mm, any jar mm, of sauce. Okay, in the bowl blue. I see many mushrooms. Okay, and a box of eggs. Mm, mm, I see cheese, cheese, two packets of cheese. Okay, I see many fruits and vegetables. Okay, I see many carrots. Mm, okay, I see a yellow pepper and yellow pepper. Okay, okay. Also I see two bottles of wine, mm, a jar of juice and juice of ape. Excuse me. Mm, and many fruits and vegetables. Okay, thanks.